On the layering side, there's two new enhancements. Now, you're all familiar with your active layer as well as to set up your layers. Now, in this exercise, as you can see, if I scroll down, there's no layer that's called schedule tables. As you can see, I've got some schedule tables here, and I would like to, first of all, create the layer and then move it to that layer. So now you've got two options. Option one will be, as soon as you select an object or multiple objects, you will see that as you right click and we go down to layering and display, you will see there's a new command added that's called quick create new layer. So if I'm going to click on the command, I'm going to create one that's called schedule tables, and I'm going to say OK. Now, first you will notice that on your right hand side, if I'm going to click on the drop down, you will see that at the bottom now it added the new layer name. So while something is selected, now I can move it to that new layer. And then secondly, you'll notice that on your left hand side under your active layers, if you scroll down, it will also be added to the list. Or what you can do is, if nothing is selected, I've pressed escape, you'll notice that nothing is selected. I can right click and I can go to layering and display, and I can ask Caddie quick create new layer. Or you can go even another step further and create a shortcut key on your keyboard. In my case, I'm using Shift N, and it opens the command. So if you're working a lot with layers, and especially creating new layers while you're in a drawing, I would recommend this command. As I say, you right click, layering and display, and you say quick create new layer. Second thing is that when it comes to your search, now in this drawing, if I go to my normal layer setup, on my left hand side, as you can see, if I scroll down, there's a lot of layers. Now what I would like to do is I would like to find out if there's any layers with the, say, for ducting. And so at the bottom in the middle, this is the new enhancement, is I'm going to search for duct. But what you will have to do is, if I click on layer 0, it will search from layer 0 downwards. If I'm going to click on layer 15, then it will search from layer 15 downwards. So I'm going to ask Caddie, from layer 0, search for me for text containing duct. If I'm going to click on the arrow, it will take me to the first layer, and as you can see, duct text dims. If I click on the arrow again, it will take me to the next layer. So when it comes to for searching in your layer setup, the new enhancement is the search tool at the bottom.